Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok account. So having a TikTok account means you can go and start engaging with other content as well as creating your own content as well and posting it. So let's go and get started. First of all, go and get the TikTok app, whether it's from the App Store or Play Store. Then all you need to do is by default, you may be on the login page. You need to come to the bottom and click on sign up. Then you can click on use phone or email. You can use one of these other platforms as well. Going in, enter in a phone or an email, you can switch between the two. At the top, in this case, I choose my email and I'll type mine in. When you're ready, you can go and click on continue. You're then going to go and be sent a code through the email, or if you give a phone number, through your phone number. Once you are verified, you then need to go and enter in a password, and you now need to go and enter in a nickname. In this case, I will go and type this one like so, then press confirm, and that's it. You have created your account, so you can choose if you want, and then you can come to your profile in the bottom right. Now we can edit your profile by clicking edit profile. Over to the left, you can go and change your profile photo, and you can go and then choose your own username as well, and it's that simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.